We're going to make Kinpira Gobo, a traditional Japanese recipe. First we have to scrub the burdock. It has a lot of soil on it. Well, I have all the burdock cleaned, and it certainly took a while. This is labor intensive, but here it is, nice and white. And we're going to put this with about 2 cups of burdock, 2 tablespoons of ginger, and about 2 cups of carrots. We're going to slice those all as thinly as possible in a food processor. You can do this by hand too. Here's our burdock, our ginger, and the carrots. Okay, our vegetables, including the burdock, are ready. Next, we're going to take a skillet, put it on medium heat, let it heat up for a minute. We're going to take 1/4 cup of sesame seeds, put them in the frying pan, stir constantly until they start to pop and smell fragrant. Let them pop a little more, get a little bit more toasted. And now I think it's time to remove the sesame seeds immediately so they don't overcook. And we shall put 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil into the frying pan. This is the dark colored sesame oil, plus all our sliced vegetables, burdock, carrots, and ginger. Again, about 2 cups carrots, 2 cups burdock, and 2 tablespoons ginger. And we're also going to put in 1 clove of garlic. The garlic we're just going to leave in until it starts to turn a little brown and remove. And we'll cook this over medium heat, stirring often for about 10 minutes. Those burdock slices are beautiful. It's been about 10 minutes, so let's remove the garlic. And we are going to add 1/2 cup of red bud wine. You can also use Japanese mirin, or you can use sherry. 2 tablespoons tamari soy sauce. And a tablespoon of chili paste, which you get in Chinese or Oriental grocery stores. Nice hot seasoning. You use a chili pepper or 2 as well instead of the chili paste. And we'll stir this all together. Then we're going to cover it and let it cook on low heat for about 15 minutes. That will tenderize the burdock completely. Our Kinpira Gobo should be done. So let's take a look. And we'll put in the sesame seeds, stir this together, and we have a wonderful, spicy Japanese vegetable side dish. And let's see how it tastes. I haven't had this in a while. I'm really looking forward to it. Absolutely wonderful.
Here's a review of the ingredients that go into making Kinpira Gobo. 2 tablespoons of dark toasted sesame oil, 2 cups of burdock root very thinly sliced, 2 cups wild or commercial carrots also thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger thinly sliced, 1 clove of garlic peeled but not cut, a half cup of red bud wine, mirin or sherry, a quarter cup of whole sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons tamari soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of chili paste or a half tablespoon of cayenne hot pepper or to taste. To learn more gourmet wild edible cooking, join Wildman Steve Brill in The Wild Vegetarian Kitchen, a series of videos covering dozens of delicious gourmet recipes using wild edible foods. Some of the incredibly tasty dishes include vegan ice creams, black locust pudding, tofu cream cheese, vegan butter sauce, baked pokeweed, sourdough bagels, and mushroom bisque. The Wild Vegetarian